It feels so good to be back at Reflection Gallery. We have some beautiful collection. Do check it out. It's for 2 days today and tomorrow. We have beautiful chania cholis, flat 50% off on ethnic wear. And swipe left to check out the more collection. Flat 50% off on ethnic wear. Let's go. Let's
Available
see.
collection में अपने पास है flat 50% off.
Wow.
Yes.
Guys, flat 50% off.
Yes.
Come and grab it while it lasts. इतने ही चीजें बची हैं.
Yes.
Look at this.
So we have.
Flat 50% off. में we have quads, we have tunics, dresses, tops,
Yes.
literally everything ethnic wear भी सब mix है. Flat 50% off.
Then we have crush. જે ટાઈપના પહેર્યા છે શેડેડ બી છે પ્લેન બી છે એમાં બી બધા જ કલર પેક્સ છે આમાં બી શેડેડ છે
Wow.
જે આ 9 મીટરના ઘેરવાળા છે
क्या प्राइस है इनकी?
અને 7,000 8,000 6,000 6,500
Okay.
આ 7,500 9
7,500.
मीटर घेर
Wow.
yes we have white collection also
Nice.
we have kids wear
Kids wear.
yes
Kids chaniya choli.
yes
Look at this.
yes
So yes, customization is also
Also
available.
available, yes.
Perfect. Done. Let's go. Hello.
Hi.
This is Zen Sparrow and
Yes.
bringing you festive season.
Yes.
We have already introduced Chania
Chania
Choli.
choli, yes.
Let's start with the collection.
આ ટાઈપના મારી પાસે છે
Mm.
ઇટ્સ 2024 કલેક્શન
Mhm.
શેડેડ છે
Mm-hmm.
લોંગ બ્લાઉઝીસ બનાવ્યા છે આપણે
Okay.
બધી
New.
સાઇઝના
Okay.
તો બહુ જ બધા બ્લાઉઝીસ છે
Look at the blouse.
યસ 200 પ્લસ બ્લાઉઝીસ તો અત્યારે છે આપણી જોડે
Wow.
યસ
So their blouses are the main USP.
યસ
પૂરા
બ્લાઉઝીસમાં
fusion.
આપણું બહુ જ સારું છે કલેક્શન
Nice.
યસ
Look at that.
યસ પછી સ્લીવલેસમાં બી છે આપણી જોડે
Oh, nice. Check that.
યસ then we have
Chanias.
ચનિયાસ
These are the chania
ગજીસ
options.
ચનિયા
Gaji.
બધા જ કલર છે આપણી પાસે
Okay. Look at that.
all colors we have
Desi threads for unstitched suits and dupatta, something like what she is wearing. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, my name is Akanksha and I'm wearing Malai cotton suits. This is purely unstitched and it is made from embarked threads of craftsmen from all over the India.
Nice.
So we'll start with these. I have this beautiful piece for everyone and it's even an official wear. So you can, this material is called Malai cotton.
Okay.
I have many collections in these.
Okay.
You can just go through it.
Lovely. Look at this.
This one is a very beautiful piece. It's a very vibrant wine color, which is for every beautiful woman. So I have some dupatta pieces as well. This is my best seller. It's called Kalamkari Dupatta, and it has a beautiful chanderi fragrance coming out of it. I also have shibori, tissue, Malai cotton dupattas. Now here are some festive collections.
Hi, ma'am. Your brand name?
Varso. I named it Varso after my granny, my mom, my daughters and granddaughters. She's also pursuing the hobby, her passion.
Okay. So look at these cute quills.
These are zebras, monkeys, kings, hippos and girls.
So
These are handmade things. These are tigras, which is my speciality.
okay. Look at these. Then they have some
This
nice,
is my brand.
and that's the brand name. She has some nice bags also here. Look at that. Nice tote bags. We have all
These are crochet
bags, mirror bags. Look at this. These are embroidery bags.
This is
Okay.
baby bag.
Some nice baby bags. Cute. And then you have some posters here.
So these are
Beaded posters. Look at that. Very nice. And
These are the best things. These
Mats.
are my puja asan, yeah, whatever you want to call it. You
Puja
can
asan.
use it as yoga asan, puja asan,
so this Rakhi, if you want to give something different, ma'am is going to explain this. Yes.
Hi,
So this is what?
this one is a crystal Rakhi, gemstones Rakhi or bracelets. Anyone can wear it. It's a unisex.
Okay.
It's a 18 different stones and all are the different healing purposes there. So anyone wants to know, they just DM me. I can explain or give them the brief about
Perfect.
that.
Other than that, they have some nice jewelry options here. Look at this. Some hull sleeves. We have only earrings here. Look at that. Those are nice long neck pieces, chokers.
That with the western, you can just fusion with this. My
Okay, so you can also wear it like that. And something like what you're wearing. So the brand is Vestido, and we also have something what she's wearing. Look at that. Yes, start with the
So
collection.
first of all, we have this type of tops,
Some nice
different
things.
colors,
pretty.
which I wore already.
Oh, nice.
So I have more colors in this, like this.
More color options.
Yeah. Then I have this type of dresses.
Nice. Quirky and vibrant color dresses.
Yeah.
Cute.
And I have this type of dresses, Kota dresses.
Kota dresses. These are perfect for like monsoon season.
Yeah.
Look at this.
And I have this type of tops.
Nice tops, printed. Okay.
And I have this type of corsets. It's like this.
Nice quads here. Festive season around the corner, and we have Rakhis coming up. So these are all handmade Rakhi. We have Bhaiya Bhavi.
Yes, we have combos also. Everything. And we have kids Rakhis also.
It's Rakhi here, and then she has a brand of clothing as well. Hello.
Hi.
Yes.
So the brand is Kiora.
Mm-hmm.
We have cotton tops.
Nice.
Then we have a lot of cotton stuff, but let's come to festive this time.
Okay.
This is something like semi-festive. This is also cotton based, but the colors are so popping.
Right.
And then in festive, semi-festive, we have such
Long gown.
long gowns. These are oversized dresses, the one I'm wearing.
Okay.
And we also have such
Two-piece set.
popping color sets. Yes.
Perfect. Look at
And then we also have something like this.
Oh, nice. With all handwork done and brocade.
Brocade pants,
pants.
I guess.
Wow, nice.
And then